Hi, good morning everybody. It is me, Faisal Pullalu. I am your English teacher in Government Higher Secondary School, Achur, Wayanad. ഈ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം 6ാം തരത്തിലെ റെയിൻ ഓഫ് ലവ് എന്നുള്ള പാഠത്തിൻ്റെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നു എൻ്റെ ഈ ചാനലിൽ. ആ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ പല പാരൻസും അതേപോലെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സും ഒക്കെ എന്നെ നേരിട്ടും വാട്സപ്പിലൂടെയൊക്കെ കോൺടാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാവുന്ന ക്ലാസ് ആയിരുന്നു എന്ന് ഒരുപാട് പേർ അഭിപ്രായം അറിയിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായി, അതോടൊപ്പം 5ാം തരത്തിലെ ക്ലാസ് കൂടി ഇതേപോലെ വേണമെന്ന് ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായാണ് ഇത്തരത്തിലൊരു വീഡിയോയുമായി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മുന്നിലേക്ക് എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും റെഡിയല്ലേ? ക്ലാസ് കേൾക്കാൻ എല്ലാവരും റെഡിയല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങിയാലോ? ആർ യു ഓക്കെ? റെഡി? ലെറ്റ് us start our class. Students, I know you are my new students. Now you are in 5th standard students. I am your new teacher. It is your new school. Should be a new atmosphere for you. Then again, all of you, welcome to my classroom. Today, let me start with a clapping game. Okay, are you ready? Yes, start with me. Right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it is welcome clap. This type of claps known as welcome clap. So, let me start welcome clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, repeat with me. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Good. Are you okay? Okay. Have you had your breakfast today? I had my breakfast. It was chapati and curry. Students, now please try to speak something a little bit in English. Try. Have you had your breakfast today? You? Yeah? Then you had what type of breakfast? It was idli. Then idli and chutney. Very good. Yes. Oh, I had my breakfast. You had your breakfast. It was patiri and chicken curry. Very good. Well done. Very good. Right. Like this, we may create simple sentences in English. English is very simplest language in the world. The language expert says that Malayalam is the toughest language in the world, but the English is the simplest language in the world. We are Malayalis, read, write, talk, everything in Malayalam. But the language expert says Malayalam is the toughest language in the world. But English is the very simplest language. So our students, you may think about this fact. English is the very simplest language in the world. If you try to speak little bit in English in your classroom or your house, you can increase your ability in English. So let me come back to breakfast. I had my breakfast. Like this, you may try. You. Yeah, very good. I had my breakfast. Then it was vellappam and bhaji curry. Very good. Well done. Then you. Don't worry, I will help you. Yeah. I had my breakfast. Very good. Then it was parota and chicken curry. Okay, very good. Then another. I had my breakfast. It was uppumavu. Okay, very good. It was uppumavu. Then Haiva, big clap. It was very sweetie. It was very sweetie. How sweet it was. Very good. So let you start to write something about your today's breakfast. Now you may take your English notebook, then try to write something in your English notebook about breakfast. I gave some sentences to you. For example, I had my breakfast, then it was idli and chutney. Then it was very sweet.
It was made by my mother.
One more sentence. One more sentence. Who will say to me? One more sentence. Who can help me? One more sentence. Who can help me? Yeah. Very good. Very good. I ate my breakfast 9:30 a.m. Okay. Well done. Good. Let me go to English textbook in 5th class. I know you haven't any textbook in your own hand. Don't worry, we are with you. It is your English textbook. Can you see this? Yes. Then here is contents. Here is contents. First content is Unit 1, the mirror. The mirror. Then let me go to first page of Unit 1. The mirror. Look at the cartoon given below. Here is a cartoon. Here is a cartoon here. Then look at this cartoon. What do you see in this cartoon? What are the people doing in this picture? What are the people doing in this picture? Are they running? Why are they running? Why are they running? What is the reason to run? Look at their faces. Look at their faces. Are they happy? No? Very good. Why are they running? Why are they running? Yes. What is this? Here it is a train. The train is coming. Yeah, very good. The train is coming. Then the people, they are afraid. They are afraid. Yeah. Seeing this, the train is coming towards the people. Seeing this, they became afraid. Are you afraid of train now? No? Yeah, good. Why? Yeah. Most of time you have seen the train. Okay, students, try to write something about this picture. Narrate the picture. Simply, you can read the picture. After reading the picture very well, write anything about this picture. I give a hint for you. This cartoon shows the reaction of the viewers when the first ever motion picture was shown in Paris. It was a 50-second long film directed by Lumiere Brothers, January 25th in 1896. Now you may try very well to write more and more sentences using these cartoons, then using these interactions. Okay, are you ready? Yes, let us start. After writing minimum 10 sentences, you may take a photo of that notebook, then send it to your teacher's WhatsApp. Then we will meet next class next time. Okay, meet again. Goodbye.